I sleeping, I dream I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken. So I hung my head and I cried.
Hi everyone. Today, me and my family, my wife, my daughter, and my nephews spend our holiday in Kayu Aro tea plantation of Jambi, Indonesia. If you want to know about Kayu Aro tea plantation, Kayu Aro tea plantation is located in Jambi province in Indonesia. This place is very suitable for you to make you relax. Kayu Aro may be the ideal spot. Stroll through the vast expanses of tea or even help the worker pick the suit that are ready to be processed. The factories that were built during the creation of the plantation have not changed much since 1925, nor has much of the entire management process. Observe the entire procedure followed in the production of the tea. For lovers of the great outdoors, several other points of interest are located nearby, such as Mount Kerinci, Lake Kerinci, and the Kerinci Seblat National Park. Getting to Kayu Aro Tea Plantation follows the same route as the path to Mount Kerinci in the direction of Sungai Penuh. Sungai Penuh is a small city in Jambi province. The two closest airports to Sungai Penuh, capital city of the Kerinci district, are Jambi and Padang. Getting to Sungai Penuh from Jambi city takes about 10 hours by car, over a distance of approximately 500 kilometers. This can be done using public transportation or rental car. Jambi Airport serves just Jakarta and Batam.
Kita lapar guys. Aku nggak lapar. Karena lagi di kebun teh sama ada Mama Ci. Mama Ci kemarin tuh gak ada Mama Ci kemarin.
Tunggu sabar.
Strawberry mangga apel. Sorry nggak lepel. Popo Ci. Mama Ci mau pak. Dadah Mama Ci mau bilang. Ya, biar Mama Ci pergi. Hanum. Tuh. Punya Hanum.
Lihat tuh ya, icak-icak dari. Ya.
Strawberry mau. Mie goreng tuh. Mama.
Ini Mama Cik.
Dikit saja. Tadi lepas berenang juga ada siang.
Jangan kayak gitu, kaget kan.
Tolong anu.
Apa lagi nak?
Ernegi itu anu, ernegi asap.
Alergi.
Enggak. Dingin, kakak dingin. Kok mulut. Kini kalau mau masuk. Gak ada teh.
Makan jajan aja kak. Tambah dingin beda nih mah. Nggak pada mama.
Mama sih mau.
Mau cuy main apa kira?
Masih minum sekali lagi.
The alternative route through Padang is much faster, at a total distance of under 300 kilometers. Sungai Penuh can be reached via public transport,
Jalan situ Ben.
car rental, or private car, and should take between 5 to 6 hours. Minangkabau International Airport in Padang serves Jakarta, Medan, Pekanbaru, Batam, and
Mama.
Getting to Cayo Aroti Plantation follows the same route as the path to Mount Kerinci in direction of Sungai Penuh. The two closest airports to Sungai Penuh, capital city of Kerinci district, are Jambi and Padang.
The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dream I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken. So I hung my head and I cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.